the Paasche Airbrush FP-4P-AMZ Flow Pencil for Cookies Cupcake. A pencil airbrush is ideal for all who don't make cakes and cookies as often. If you don't need a large airbrush kit, this small appliance is probably just enough for you. It delivers outstanding results, and it's arguably much easier to use than large airbrush compressors. Because of its convenient shape, the pen is maneuverable and easy to control. This allows you to do all kinds of designs and detailed decorations on icings and fondants. Paasche Airbrush FP-4P-AMZ Flow Pencil for Cookies Cupcakes comes with 4 tip sizes, each delivering different results. Some are wider than the others, so you'd be able to do most of the detailed work using just this pen. Due to its size, the pen isn't the best choice to cover large areas. However, the overall compact size has a significant benefit too. You easily pack it up and carry with you everywhere you go.